Hey, welcome back guys, it's Crafty Fox, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a Saudi Arabia locomotive. So it's actually my first locomotive, I believe, from the Middle East, and it's built by EMD SRO, which is Saudi Railways Organization, and this is a variant of the EMD SD50 that was specially built to use for harsh desert environments in Saudi Arabia. So it has this big, large filter box on top to filter sand, dirt, and dust. And also one more unique thing about this locomotive is that the hood is actually I never noticed it until I was looking at it closely. The hood for this one is actually sloped. It's not straight like a regular SD50. And yeah, here is what it looks like. We'll have a 360 view of it, and then we'll get started. So first off, let's grab our materials: black concrete, nether brick slab, nether brick stairs, dark oak slab, and fence gate, tripwire hook, oak fence, and then the inside of this dark oak. Actually, we already have that dark oak trapdoor. And I believe, yeah, let's build with this. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make the front plow. So that's going to be right around here. Just make it 2 blocks wide of this nether brick slab, and I'm just gonna build 1/2 of it at a time right now. I'm going to add upside down stairs on the side. In the middle, we'll make 2 blocks wide black concrete. Add it upside down nether brick stairs on the side. The middle is a dark oak slab. Then we'll add tripwire hook next to it. Dark oak fence gate underneath. Open that up. Then on top, we'll add in 2 nether brick slabs. Then we'll move up to the side here and add in 2 more nether brick slabs spaced apart. Then right here we'll make another 2 black concretes. And the bottom part we'll add in another brick stairs in the middle, upside down, facing towards the back, with a dark oak fence gate right there. Then right behind it we'll add in a dark oak trapdoor behind the slab, and we're going to close it up. Then we'll add in an upside down nether brick stairs right on top of that, with another brick slab on top of that. Alright, then we'll take out oak fence, and then we'll add in 2 blocks tall here. Then we're going to go in the front, go diagonally, add another 2 blocks tall. And we're going to add another oak fence here, and another one on the other side, but this side we're going to make it 3 blocks tall. Like so. And then we'll add in another 2 oak fences like so. Alright, so now I think it's time to make the wheels. So we're going to take out gray concrete, or gray terracotta, I mean, dark oak stairs, and then we'll need another brick block. So let me grab that really quick. So we're going to go right over here, skip a block, add in the gray terracotta with dark oak stairs like that. And we're going to repeat the same thing right behind it. And I'm going to do it so that we have these 3 wheels. Then we'll add in the inside part of the stairs with nether brick blocks. And we'll add in nether brick stairs upside down in front of all of these blocks. Then in the front we'll add in dark oak fence gate right in front of the wheel, and I'm going to open it up towards it. And the other side we're going to do the same thing, open it up towards it. Then we'll add in these hoppers to the sides of all the wheels. So 1, 2, 3. Then right above it, we'll add in another brick slab on the front one and the back one. While the middle part, that's going to be another brick stairs facing towards the front. Then we'll add in these daylight detectors in spaces between, and afterwards. Then we'll add in a dark oak fence gate right here underneath this daylight detector. I'm going to close this up. And I'm going to add in some more facing towards the hoppers, like so. And looks like we don't have to change it. Alright, next we'll go in the front. And then we'll add in 2 nether brick slabs here. And then black concrete go right here all the way across to that last nether brick block right there. Then adjacent to all these daylight detectors, we're going to add in this nether brick wall to fill in the rest with black concrete. Then we'll add in another brick slab, 2 blocks wide like that. And then we'll add in black concrete 2x2 like so. Then we'll add on the bottom another brick stairs upside down like that. And then we're going to make this part so it's 6 blocks long. Alright, so once we've added that, we'll add in 2 nether brick slabs here. Then 4 upside down nether brick stairs. Then the back of this, we're going to add in 3 nether brick slabs. And then 2 nether brick slabs. As you can see, it looks like this. Alright, so now we're going to go right up from the pilot all the way up to this nether brick slab right here. We're going to copy all of that. And we're going to build it right over here in the back area. It lines up with this nether brick slab. Alright, so once we added the back, it should look like this. Now we're going to add in yellow concrete. We're going to make a line diagonally in the front like so. The middle will add in a light blue concrete with an oak slab on top. Then we're going to go right over here and make this 2 blocks tall like that. Then I'm going to make this block 6 blocks long, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then in the front of that we'll add in oak slab, and this is going to be 5 blocks long. Then we'll add in a dark oak bun block here, skip a block, and then 2 in the front. Then we'll go right towards the back, and we'll add in these 2 diagonally yellow concrete, and we're going to make it so it's going to be 3 blocks tall like so. Then on top here we'll add in an oak stairs like that, then a bedrock next to it, and we're going to make this 2 blocks tall and 6 blocks long, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, and then actually it's 7, so 7 long like that. Then we'll add in oak stairs right on the other side, and then fill in the inside part with an oak slabs across the bottom like so. And then the top part we'll add in upside down oak stairs here, while the other side will have a prismarine brick stairs upside down. Then the space in the middle we'll add in spruce trapdoors all the way across. In the back we're going to add 2 more yellow concretes like so. In the middle we'll add in a birch fence gate, skip 1 block away from the top and open that up. Then to the side we'll add in a dark oak sign right there for the number plate. Then on top we'll add in some more daylight detectors. We'll add in a pair like this. Skip a block, another one, skip a block, another pair, and then we're going to make them all blue. Like so. Then we're going to go ahead and add in the inside of this next to the bedrock, 3 blocks long yellow concrete. And we'll add in prismarine brick slabs right in front of it, like so. Then we're to go ahead and add in 4 light blue concretes. And then we're going to add another row on top. I'm going to make this go all the way across to the back. Then we're going to go down here and add in 2 prismarine brick slabs like that, and then yellow concrete on the inside of that. Then we'll add in yellow concrete all the way across the bottom like that. And then we're going to go in the front of this and add in 2 light blue walls like that, and add in yellow concrete 2x, I guess a 2x3 like that, towards the front. Then right here we'll add in light blue concrete, 2 blocks tall, actually 3 blocks tall like that. Alright, then we're going to take out prismarine brick stairs, add 2 upside down here, and then 4 upside down nether brick stairs, and prismarine brick stairs in the back. Then we'll add in the middle area here. We'll fill that in with light blue concrete all the way across to the back. Then adjacent to these nether brick, we'll add in 4 daylight detectors, make them all blue. And we'll add in a zombie head in the back of this. Then we'll add in a clay, and that's going to be right there in the middle. Polished diorite stairs on the side of that. Iron trapdoor on top. And then we'll make a 2x2 of light blue concrete. And then we'll add in a prismarine brick slab in the middle with dark or another brick slab next to it. Then on the side there will be 2 dark oak signs, and on top there will be gray carpets crossed like that. Alright, and then right over here we're going to fill in the middle area with blue concrete all the way to the front. Alright, so now what we're going to do, let's go to the front here, and we'll add in 2 blocks tall, light blue concrete, skip a block, add another 2. Then we'll go on the inside part of this and add it like so, with an oak slab on the bottom like that. Then we'll add in a black stain glass block right here on the side, and I'm going to add 2 blocks right here in the middle. Then I'm going to add prismarine brick stairs right here on the sides, smooth quartz stairs in the middle. Then in the front we'll add in 2 light blue concretes and add another one right here in the middle. Dark oak sign right here on the side, light blue glass pane right here in the middle. And on top we'll add in this birch fence gate with 2 smooth quartz slabs behind it. Then I'm going to fill in the rest then with smooth quartz slabs, and we'll add in a skeleton skull right here behind it. Then we'll add a white carpet on top of this light blue concrete, and then we'll add in a stone button right here in the front for the lamp. Alright, so for the hood there will be another brick slab right behind this, and then 2 gray concretes. Then we'll add in 2 light blue concretes next to it, and then a prismarine brick slab right over here, and then 2 more light blue concretes here, and then black concrete that's gonna be filling in the inside of the cab like that. And the inside part of this we might as well fill that in with light blue concrete, and the inside part of this as well, fill that in light blue concrete. So now I'm going to add 2 yellow glass panes here in the corner, and make this oak fence block taller. Add an oak fence gate right behind that area. And now we're going to add in these door banners. So go to our loom, place a black banner inside with a light blue dye border around it, and then we're also going to put that back in, fill in the bottom half of it, and then we'll place that in the front and the back of the cab like so. Alright, so next we'll add in an oak fence here, and go diagonally down, oak fence 2 blocks tall, and oak fence gate, then oak fence 2 blocks tall, and then we're going to extend this fence gate and this pole all the way across down here, repeats, and should look like that. We're also going to fill in this inner wall with yellow concrete. Alright, so after we've done that, I need to fix up this little thing right over here. I'm going to delete the stairs and I'm going to replace it with a dark oak trapdoor like that. Same thing on the other side. Alright, that is better. And now we're going to add in, right to the top part, light blue carpet all the way across this section. All the non-blue areas, we're going to make that all blue. All the way across, and it goes all the way to the back. Then we'll take out dark oak buns, and then I'm going to add a pair right here, skip a block, add one here. Then I'm going to add another one on the bottom section of this, 2 blocks like that, skip a block to another 2, skip a block, 1 like that, and then skip a block 1 like that. Alright, I'm just making sure I'm doing this right. And then we'll add in, so it's like double stacked right here in the back section. I'm going to add and make this double stacked as well. And then we're going to add another 2 right over here. Alright, so once we've done that, we're going to copy what we did on this side and build it onto the other side. Alright, so once we have both sides, let's go onto this side. And we'll add in light blue concrete, 2 blocks here, and another 2 on the inside of this. then 2 smooth quartz slabs on top of that wool. Then we'll add in oak slab right there, and go to this back, delete this block here, and we'll add in oak stairs right there facing towards the back, and we can add in a black concrete on the inside of that. Then we'll move up over to this side, add in let me see, 2 yellow glass panes right there, and the top section that will be an oak button like that, while the other side is going to be these 3 oak fence gates, which are going to be all opened up like that. And then we'll add in another brick slab right here on the inside of that, underneath that pane and that fence gate. And we'll go over to this side, and now this is the part with the dynamic break thing, I don't know, and that's gonna be black concrete on the inside of this, so delete that, black concrete, and we'll add in an upside down prismarine brick stairs, and then 2 prismarine brick stairs like that, light blue concrete right there. Then we'll add a sandstone wall, prismarine wall, and then 2 light blue glass panes at the top, then 2 yellow glass panes at the bottom. Then go to the back, and we're going to go right underneath, right after this middle button right there, add in our yellow concrete, and we'll extend this all the way so it goes to the front. And then the parts for the rest of it, it's going to be another brick slab, so just add it like that, connecting it. And then we'll do the same thing on this side all the way across, another brick slabs. Alright, so once we added that slabs on the sides, we'll go in the front and we'll add in these 2 stone buttons, one top and one on the side. While the other side, we'll delete this block here, and I'm going to fill in the inside part of this with light blue concrete and a prismarine brick stairs facing towards the front. Then we'll add in a bell right here underneath, right on this side. Gonna ring it like so. And then we're gonna add in an oak trapdoor right here in the back with a chain between the railings. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to build the Saudi Arabia SRO SDL50 in Minecraft. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, remember to hit that like button down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.